Hello friends, welcome to RichLe's kitchen. Today we are going to make delicious butter naan. It's seldom that we have chance to eat naan and we need to visit a restaurant nearby to have this. So today we are going to see a very simple method to make a restaurant style butter naan at home over a stovetop. For this we need to make an active yeast mix. So let's add sugar, salt, oil, warm water, and warm milk, and mix well. And rest it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until you see the mix forming froth. Now for the dough, add all-purpose or maida flour and add in the yeast mix. And knead the dough. The dough will be sticky and that's normal. Now rest the dough after covering it and wait until the dough rises and doubles in volume. Now knead the dough gently and divide it into equal sized dough balls. Then roll them using a pin to elongated oval shapes. The shapes may vary as per your liking. The oval shape is just for aesthetics. Now put the rolled naan dough on a preheated pan and wait until bubbles begin to rise. Then remove from the pan and toss the other side onto a direct low flame on a stove top. The naan has to be cooked evenly until it forms the brown edges resembling the tandoor effect. If you have a wire mesh, that may also be used for this purpose. Finally, brush the naan with melted butter mixed with chopped coriander leaves. Now repeat the same steps for the remaining dough balls. Now the delicious butter naan is ready. Please try this at home and kindly share your valuable comments and feedback. Thank you for watching.